Okay, first coin of the day using my tornado. It's a dime, about 4 inches deep. Back to you. Okay guys, I just got my other target and it's a quarter. You can see how deep I dig this quarter out. Pretty deep. I would say about 6 to 8 inches, I don't know. But here it is, quarter. Well, NEL tornado coil is doing its job. So far so good. Back to you. 1/4. Okie doke. Let's go this up and step on it. Back to you. Another target about probably 4 inches. A beautiful nickel. Great. Back to you. Let me step on it. And we're ready to go. Here we go. Let's see what can we find in this park. Wish me luck. Back to you. Okay, my first target. Junk. Back to you. Here's the next target. A dime. Back to you. There you go. 1 penny. About 4 inches deep. And we have another stinky penny. Back to you. Here is another target. Back to you. Another stinky penny. Back to you. Okay guys, we're back. We've been hunting for probably 4 to 5 hours in 2 days, and I'm using my new tornado coil, and this is what we have. In 5 hours of hunting, I'm gonna stir it up and I'm gonna tell you what do we have. Okay, back to you. Okay guys, back from the hunt. This is what we had today. Well, actually 2 days. 2 hours yesterday, and today I believe were 3 hours. So this is what we have. My first $1/2 today. Then we have our quarters, total of $7.25 in quarters. Then we have the nickels. We have 75 cents worth of nickels. And then we have our dimes, and we have $4.90 out of dimes, and the usual, the pennies, we have 70 cents. Okay, here's my junk. Bolts, batteries, bottle caps, more batteries, screws, pull tabs, bobby pins, and some other stuff right there. And this is my cool stuff that I found today. I don't know if this is a pendant or something, but it's very cool. I don't know what is it. Probably it's from a belt, but it's pretty cool. Then I found this Air Force airplane that it was kind of beat up, because if you see, it's broken in 3 parts. Finally I found the 3 parts. Then we have a bullet. I don't know where it's coming from. 2 rings, 1 key, 1 pendant. We have a Shakey's token, and we have 3 foreign coins. One of them is 20 cents from Mexico, then it's 20 cents euro, and we have 1 cent from Canada. So there you go, folks. This is what I got in 2 days of hunting, yesterday and today. And I was using my new tornado coil. Okay, back to you. Happy hunt. Until next time.